Hi kids, it's Mrs. Fravel. One more time, I promise. This is probably the last video I'll do for you. Just I want to make sure because I know sometimes it's hard to read all the things, and you forget to go to the home page. I just wanted to make sure that you know what's going on for the next 2 weeks. So today is Monday, May 18th. We are 2 weeks away from being done. The end of school is May 28th. That's when graduation is, and I think that's when we're all going to be done. So between now and then, this is what I need you to do, please. Please. This is a generic video for all three of my classes, so I am just going to give you some general dates and guidelines, and then what you need to do after you watch this video is go to the Canvas homepage. Go to Canvas, click on the course, click on home. If it doesn't take you to home already, it should. I will post specific things for your class, whether you're biology, marine biology, or zoology, okay? But for right now, what I need you to know is that everything for the last unit, whatever that is for your class, is due on Monday, May 25th. Monday, May 25th. Everything is due for the unit that I will on the homepage for your class that I will specify. Okay. And I am going to get everything caught up on Skyward today. By the end of today at 4 o'clock, it should be all updated. If you see any errors, please let me know. Please make sure that you are submitting things correctly. Don't email me stuff. If there is a submission on Canvas, that's where you submit it. If you're having a technical difficulty with that, then reach out to me and let me know, okay? What else? If you're one of the students who has not been doing anything for whatever reason, I hope you're okay. I mean, I hope you're all right. If I haven't seen assignments roll in from you, and it's due to a technical issue, then just please reach out to me and let me know, and let's get something figured out for you. But if you have not been doing work just because you figured that you didn't need to do any work because none of this counts, that is not accurate. You need to do the work to pass the class. You will either get an A or a B or a pass or an incomplete. And so if you would like to pass the class, you need to do the work. Again, and also to go along with that, I will be reaching out to your parents this week. Again, I will be calling, I will be emailing. Mostly I just want to make sure you're okay and that you know that yes, you do have to do the work if you need this class to pass, which most of you do. So let me know what's going on with you. What else? I think that's it. Other than this, I know I keep saying that I miss you guys. And I do. I have. This has been a very weird year for all of us. It's been a very weird time for all of us, not just with school, but with everything going on in the world. It's been very unsettling and very odd. And I want you guys to know that I loved having all of you as students. Every single one of you, even those of you that irritated the crap out of me. No. You guys are all great, and I admire the strength that you guys have had to be continuing to work through this on your own. That is not easy. And those of you that have done it, you've worked so hard and you've done such good work, and I appreciate that. Okay. Most of you have really put as much effort into this as you did when we were in the classroom, and you should be proud of yourself. I hope that you are, because I'm so impressed with all of you. I honestly did not know how this was going to go, and you guys have all stepped up really well. And I hope that we're all back in the classroom in the fall. But if the building's open, please come say hi. But if we're not, then just know that all of us teachers, all of the administrators, all of the coaches, we we all miss you and we all want the best for you. And if you are struggling in any way and you need support, if you need help, reach out to whoever your favorite teacher is. It should be me, but just whatever, it's fine. Yeah, okay, I will stop talking now, and I will not talk at you anymore. That'll be nice. And have a good summer, please. Be safe though, be careful. I know restrictions are easing socially, but this virus it's a weird virus. As a scientist and as a microbiology person, I can tell you that the news coming in from the people that study this virus, it, it's weird, and we don't know what's going to happen with it. You shouldn't be terrified, you shouldn't be scared, but you should be cautious. Continue to be cautious, and just wear a mask when you're in public. Stay 6 feet away from people who do not live in your house. I've loved when I've been in the neighborhood seeing you guys in the parking lot talking, and I don't know if you know this, but I do occasionally, I'm in the neighborhood around there because I do some stuff scientifically and also recreationally out in the Draper Way, and I see you guys, and I see you guys being really cool with each other, and I like that. We have a good community. Don't feel alone. You're not alone. Okay. Just be smart. And the smarter everybody is about this and follows the rules, we'll all be able to go back to school, which is yay, school, you guys. Okay. So go do the things, go to the homepage, read whatever is specific for your class that I need you to do and need you to turn in by Monday, May 25th. Don't make me put up a quiz asking you what you're supposed to do, you guys. Come on, that's lame. Okay, right. All right. Reach out to me if you need anything, and bye. Miss your faces, and I hope to see them again someday.